Hey everyone, my name is Joe with Dark Shade Window Tint, and in this video we're gonna go over and see, does window tint really work, and most importantly, is it worth getting it installed on your home or your business windows? Let's get started. The big difference I want to talk about is that over time, window film has had many advancements, which helps not only the performance of the film once it's installed on your windows, but most importantly, how long does the window film last? You see, if you go back 30, 40 years ago when window film was just getting started, in comparison to today, it's a really big difference, especially when it comes to the performance. When it comes to the performance, back then, you can get 30-40% heat rejection. Compared to now, you could get films that go in the 70 to 80% heat rejection, depending on the type of solar film that you would be picking for your project. So the first thing that we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna show you the difference between a standard normal film, and then we're gonna show you the difference between today's high performance ceramic and reflective films to kind of give you an idea on, okay, if I'm picking this film, is it worth it compared to this film? Because to be honest with you, if you're gonna pick a standard film because the price may seem a little bit more attractive because the price tends to be lower with that type of film, then you might not get all the benefits and get everything that you expect out of window film on your home windows or business windows compared to a ceramic or reflective film. So right now we're gonna take out our Btu meter and we're gonna show the difference between a standard film and a ceramic / reflective film. So let's get started on that. So we really wanted to emphasize the point on the difference between a standard film that you would have gotten installed 30 or 40 years ago and today's high performance and reflective films. So right now we have a Btu meter and it's reading around 320, which is typical in a very hot and sunny day when it's about 85, 90 degrees outside. So this is a very normal temperature. Actually, it gets worse in the summertime here in Houston, but we're gonna show the difference. So right now I have the darkest standard, regular window film, and we're gonna show how much does it bring the Btu readings down to. So right now it's reading right around 320, and as soon as I put the film in front of it, it drops to around 282. It goes back to 320, and it drops right back down to around 280. So there is a difference, but what we're gonna do now is show you the difference between our clearest ceramic film to show you that not only is a ceramic film better at performance, but you can get a film that is virtually clear and yet it's still gonna outperform the darkest film that you could possibly install in a standard film. So let's get that ceramic film. So this film is virtually clear. Once we install this film on any window, you can hardly tell it's there. So we're gonna test it. So right now the Btu meter is actually measuring 360, which is way more than the other meter. It was around 330. And so right now it's 360, but when we put the virtually clear ceramic film, it drops all the way down and it pretty much cuts it in half. Let's do it again. So what this tells you is that, for one, you do not need a dark film to reduce a lot of heat, but two, it's the type of film that you need that's gonna really make a difference and really be worth the investment of getting window film installed on your home or business windows. Now, this is a clear ceramic film. Let's quickly go over a reflective film because they actually block slightly more heat. So right now we're gonna compare the last film. This is a reflective film. On the inside, it has a traditional black shade, and there's many different shades to this film as well. But on the outside, it has a reflectiveness. So this is great for adding more privacy during the daytime, but most importantly, it's also good at reducing a little bit more heat. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna compare the reflective film and show that even the reflective film, if you want a little bit more performance, this film is gonna be the best hands down film to get installed on your home or business windows. So right now the Btu meter is back at 320 and we're gonna compare the reflective film. So right now it's 320, and when you put the film in front of it, there's a dramatic difference. Let's do it one more time. So after watching us compare a standard window film to a ceramic and a reflective film, now you can see the big difference in the window film advancements over time. But besides the performance of the film, I also wanted to let you know is the warranty of the film. Nowadays, if you get a top performance ceramic or reflective film for your home, you're gonna get a lifetime warranty. And if you get a reflective or ceramic film for your business, you're gonna get a 15-year warranty. So not only is it gonna perform very well, but on top of that, you're gonna enjoy the film for over a decade without having to worry if it's gonna bubble or peel, because if it does, it's always covered under the warranty. And a side benefit I wanted to include is that when you get a ceramic or reflective film, you're also gonna reduce 99% of those harmful UV rays that causes fading and causes discoloration on floors, tables, paintings, furniture. And on top of that, if you wanted the reflective film, you're also gonna get the benefit of daytime privacy. So what that means now is you can see out and they can no longer see in during the daytime, so you can enjoy the natural light, have the windows open, and let in all the natural light, fill in the rooms, but nobody can see in. So if you're looking for window film and you're kind of deciding, is it worth it? Is it worth the investment? Hopefully in this video, you saw that window film can literally reduce half the heat getting through your windows, especially in the summertime. It could be really hard during the summertime up in Houston, 100, 105 degrees outside. So hopefully you learned a little bit more about the performance of window film. And if you have any additional questions that maybe we didn't answer in this video, please reach out to us. Below, there's gonna be a link that you can either call us or submit a form online, and we could schedule a free estimate, ship you out free window film samples, or if you just wanna ask us a few questions, our trained representatives are always there to help. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one.